See, when I was watching the game at Sunday, I was watching it. I was like eating the snacks and everything. And I kept on hearing him say Omaha. No, I didn't read the story anywhere. I was almost even to come on and ask people why does he keep on saying Omaha. Oh, you got papers? Omaha. Anybody like a blow pop? Nice. And mom here.
Thank you.
Yep. He's not talking, Randy? Omaha. Oh, it's raining out here. I'm gonna get under here. The cane fell down and broke. Oh, but put the cane here. Okay. Hey, let's put it right here. Okay. Alright, raining, so we really can't do anything out here. We're, kinda can't do anything. Omaha!